Hello everyone, my name is Naveen Rai and today we have with us Sailaja who got through multiple universities for her master's program, and the list includes the universities such as Cornell University, she got through Columbia University, Washington University, Duke University, Boston University, University of California Irvine, and Northwestern University, and University of Washington, where she is currently studying. So we'll get to know from Shelja how she got through these universities. We'll get to know about her journey, and toward the end, we'll see what advice Shelja has for the students who are planning to apply for their master's program abroad. So welcome, Shelja.
Hi, Naveen.
Hello, hope you're doing good.
Yeah,
So,
yeah, I'm
Shelja,
great.
first let's begin with something about yourself. Please tell our viewers, where do you come from? What is your educational background, and why you applied for the master's program in material sciences?
Cool. Hi, everyone. So I'm Sailaja. I'm from Visakhapatnam. I did my undergrad in IIT Hyderabad in material science and metallurgical engineering. So then after my undergrad, I did a job for 1 year in Hyderabad in the same field, material science. So I worked in computational materials. And then I thought I could have worked for more, but I thought I wanted to go for something new. So masters. Like by the time I realized it was a bit late, but still, yeah, I'm very happy that I did it.
Very good, Shelja. So you currently studying in University of Washington, which is in
Yeah,
Seattle. So how's the city? You know, you've recently moved there. So how is the experience?
the city is really, really beautiful. I mean, sunsets, like the temperatures, the climate is always gloomy, so it's not like really sunny. And people told me that the temperatures are not even harsh, like extreme. So it snows only once a year mostly, and rest of the time it's not sunny. It's just cloudy, so you don't have like you can't stop doing anything. You can just like go do whatever you want.
So you've been to the campus. So how is the campus life?
Oh, I mean, I didn't know about the campus before I came here, but it was like I got the feeling of that Hogwarts, Harry Potter. Like it was really great. Every building, it's different. It's not like a normal architecture. Like I go inside, uh, I feel inside like a big church or something. It's like not a normal building. It's really nice. All my classes I've been to. I've been to only few classes as of now. I haven't explored all the buildings yet, but still, whatever I've been to, it's great.
Wonderful, wonderful. So let's start from there. You know, you're pursuing your master's in material sciences. A lot of people they don't know. So
Mm.
tell us our viewers that what is material sciences? What do students generally study in material sciences?
So yeah, material science, a field most people generally not tend to take. But it's interesting though, like you read about functional materials, and after coming here, still the importance of materials, I'm knowing a lot more about it, which I didn't know earlier. Like it has like our college has like 125 years of history of in material science department. So they are like material science, like wherever are all the important applications. Okay, I didn't know there are like so many things important. So we study functional materials like the chips in our mobiles, the screen, like whatever technology we are using, materials, they're part of everything. We just don't like appreciate it. That's it. So when you're really into this field, okay, then you'll start to know the real applications, real time applications, wherever we use computer screens, like all the technology, material plays a very important role.
Especially in a scenario where everybody's going towards computer science courses, where there's a lot of competition. Feel like material sciences where there's so much of scope of research and development, the competition is quite less, just that people are not very aware, and you spoke about some of the applications. So wonderful. Now let's talk about your application process. One, what is the ideal time to begin the application process, and you can talk about your journey.
Okay, so after what I've gone through, there is an ideal time, like maybe 1 year. That's what I can say. Like September, you start September. But it's not that only if that point you start, you're going to get into university. That's what we understood, like from my experience at least. So I started like very late. The first, I think, GRE exam I've given on December 24th, 2021. But still, it's very like I didn't approach you like very soon after that. I took so much time thinking whether I should go for like really like other exams and consultation or not. So I approached you like bit late again. So I think January or February. So most priority deadlines were over. I was a bit worried, even you know that. Like, okay, priority deadlines are over. Will I even get into, or maybe leave everything, like be calm, maybe next try for next spring or something. But then I thought fall admissions, like we had so many discussions, like fall admissions, there's like much intake is there. So maybe I'll have a probability of getting. So then I think it went very well. I'm even surprised. Like I got into many universities. I didn't expect that. Cornell, that's the first opportunity I got, and I was really surprised and shocked at both at the same time. So
You
it's not
applied
like
to, yes, yes, you applied to like almost 10 odd universities, and you got to almost every university where you applied.
yeah, almost everything. Yeah.
Yes,
So
yes.
I thought, okay, maybe like proper SOPs, like if you do it properly, it's not like about the deadlines. You can easily get into one. I
So
think
this
yeah, it's
can be,
possible.
yes, and this can be an eye opener for those students who thinking that if they've not applied till December, then it's very difficult to get through the top universities of the world. Um, all you need to do is just answer the questions well, as far as the statement of purpose questions are concerned.
Mhm.
Now you started, as you said, that you started in the month of January, which
Exactly. January
from
ending, I think I
January
approached
ending,
you.
right?
Uh,
So, which from one standpoint is considered to be little late in the application process, because the fall application process generally starts in the month of September, right?
yeah,
So,
exactly.
what steps did you take to complete your application in such a short span of time, and then manage to get admits from all the universities? Now that's phenomenal. And and the universities that you applied, I remember having that discussion. You're very clear that I'm going to apply to the best of the best universities in the world. And so that's you did not compromise on the ranking of the university, and still managed to complete the application before time, and got admits from all the universities. So how did you manage that?
I really don't know answer to that. I mean, like we did it together. So I mean, like, see, all the deadlines. To be frank, you were very helpful. Like, I just had 2 3 days in the January ending itself. I had some deadlines, and the process, like it was hectic. Like I had to give you the input. There was a bit of hustle over there, but still I got all my SOPs on time. So I could do it. We were like sitting late. 12, I thought 12 o'clock is the deadline, but then you said 1 2 hours, like uh, it won't happen anything. So I think we sat till 2 and then we applied. So for almost every deadline, by time I got my SOP and we could apply, and I got all the help from you. So I just followed your instructions. Maybe I didn't know I would get into all these universities. I really mean it.
So yes, you were very tenacious throughout, and very quick to respond as far as giving the
Exactly.
inputs were
Maybe I
concerned.
just did whatever you asked me to. Okay, we'll have to do this by this time, and I'll send you by this time. You start applying. So maybe I just whatever you asked me to do, like on time.
Very, very. That's so nice of you to say, Selja. Now, what advice would you like to give to the students who are planning to apply to the US universities? So someone who's, let's say, planning to apply for master's program in material sciences, or any other field for that matter. So, what advice would you have for such a student?
So one thing, it's never too late. So just give it a try. And if you are like doubtful about the field, don't worry about the field, because now I got into this. I know there are many opportunities. I can like even combine data science. Like I can even go and code. We have data science courses. I'm just right now doing a data science course. It's not like you don't have to be really worried about job money. That's what I understood. So like if you think that is like the best university, go for it. explore the opportunities over there. Like we have one program I wanted to mention about, some student technology loan program, like where we were given laptops all like for 1 quarter where we can use them. So even financially, after you come here, there are many like many uh, like opportunities that like the university is willing to help students. So I think never think too much about that branch or job or get stuck in that family loop. So maybe like go for whatever you want to do.
Very valuable piece of advice there. So basically try and follow your passion rather than being
Exactly.
concerned about how the job market is going to be in that particular field. If you're passionate about it, you would naturally be good at it, and there
Exactly.
wouldn't be dearth of jobs. And touching upon the second point that you made, Selja, about the financial help that students can expect. So for most of the students, financial is a challenge to manage because studying abroad is an expensive pursuit. So how did
Exactly.
you manage those challenges, and what are the opportunities available to the students where students can reduce that financial burden when it comes to higher education?
Okay. So the first problem was getting a loan, because whatever is given an I-20, we have to show it. But since the university I got into is like a very maybe reputed one, I got even the loan, like even the banks, I got it from a different branch. They were like, they put in so much effort. So without any collateral, I got loan, like very, like whatever I wanted. So that is one advantage. I thought, okay, getting into a good university also helps in this way. And after coming here, I came to know about the opportunities. So I received a mail few days back about an opportunity of like evaluating the undergrad admissions, something of that sort from graduate students. So that had like I think fee tuition waiver, and also apart from fee tuition waiver, I think they'll pay you. So you just have to find the right opportunities after coming here, and then go for it. Apply, look for where like part time. Also, it's like easy only to like you can easily find it part time. So maybe for your expenses will be covered easily. But for tuition, like TA, RA, there are positions. You just have to like put in effort if you really want to do it. Talk to professors, and it's possible. I've seen many students doing that.
Wonderful suggestion again there, Selja. So, first piece of advice that you have for the students is apply to a more reputed university, because in that case, getting the financial loan from a bank would be quite easy, as it was in your case. So, whatever
Mhm.
quantum of loan or financial assistance you wanted from the bank, they were willing to give you that.
Yes, totally.
And second is that once you reach the university, there are plenty of opportunities to
Hmm.
get the financial aid from the university in form of RA, TA, or the
Hmm.
opportunity that you mentioned. So different opportunities are there through which the students can reduce the financial burden.
Exactly.
Perfect, wonderful. So that was a very helpful piece of advice that you gave to the students. Selja, anything else you'd like to add? As far as the application process is concerned, about your experience with Hello Study Global is concerned, and any message that you'd like to give to the students?
Uh, Maybe mostly this like it's never too late, because I've seen many students even warning me, okay, it's already late. I don't think you can get into one. So never get discouraged by that. You can always give it a try and then see about the deadlines and applications and financial burden. Even I thought too much about it when I was there, but after coming here, you will think it's all worth it, and there are opportunities to help you. So I think you can go for it, whatever you think it's right, like a university or branch. Just go for your passion. That's it.
Thank you so much, Shailja. That was very helpful. I'm sure students are going to find a lot of advice, going to find the advice that you gave quite fruitful towards them planning their journey to pursue their masters abroad. Thank you so much, Selja, for being with sharing your views to our students. All the best for your journey further from here.
Thank you so much, Naveen. At least for giving this opportunity. So I could at least few students watching this might start the process, though they think they are late. I'm happy. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you for helping me too. Like I should be really thankful for that
Thank
throughout
you.
the
Thank you.
application process.
Thank you so much, Selja. It was
Thank
a
you.
delight. Okay, thank you. Take care. Thank you.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye.